Hi, my name is Fred Decker. I'm shop foreman at Sussex Honda, Newton, New Jersey. Small Honda dealership, but big Honda dealership. I've been with the company 35 years, and we're here to talk about the Hunter alignment check, which is one of the best pieces of equipment I think that we have in our shop today. What we have utilized with this machine is every customer that comes through our express line, the service advisor would write the customer up, our porter would take the car, run it through the alignment checker. By the time he's done with the alignment check, the customer is just finishing signing the repair order. We have the printout for them and we give it to the service writer, who in turn will talk to the customer and advise them whether they need alignment or not. We also have the new Hunter alignment machine, which is a pleasure to work with. All the techs are looking to work with this machine because what used to take an hour and a half to do an alignment on the old machine now takes 20 minutes and do the same amount of work. It has increased our profits probably 30 to 40% over the past 3 months that we've had both machines. So we're very fortunate, very glad to have the Hunter product with us today. It's increased everything, time-wise and profit-wise, dollar-wise.
I'm here to talk about the new Quick Check alignment machine that we just recently got. We got it about a month and a half ago. It's probably one of the best machines we could have gotten. It allows us to check the wheel alignment as soon as the car comes into the service bay. At that point, we're able to tell whether or not the customer's wheel alignment is good or not, and we're able to let them know right at the point of write-up whether or not they need an alignment. At that point, basically, it increases the sale if they do need an alignment, because we're able to show them the printout, we're able to show them the degrees that it's off, we're able to show them the angle that the tires are off. Basically, like as I said before, you're able to show the customer right at the point of write-up whether or not they need an alignment. The customer is going to make the decision at that point if it's sold correctly. As far as the cost of the machine, which was around $25,000, we paid that machine off the first month with our alignments. With this new machine, we've increased the wheel alignments. We were doing between 2 and 3 a day. Once we got the machine set up and running, we're doing between 10 and 15 a day, which obviously increases profitability. It also gives us the ability to check front-end components, tire issues that we can point out to the customer, again, at the time of write-up. The increase was tremendous. I recommend it to any shop.
Hi, my name is Don Spaeth. I'm the service manager at Friendly Honda in Poughkeepsie, New York. We used to have an old alignment check machine. I'm showing my age here. We're going back quite a few years. We used to have the old style side step machine, and we used to check alignments with that, but it got old, and then someone would come in and we'd have the car up on the lift and we'd check their tires and we'd say, yeah, they're worn a little bit unevenly and you need an alignment. Vinny came in one day and showed us this alignment checker from Hunter, and it had to print out with it. And what you can do is you can just run it over to checker. It takes about 60 seconds, and we actually had a printout that we could show customers. And this is what we call around here, we call it a soft sell. It's just proof, your car is out of alignment. There's really no argument. You can't dispute it. We don't force it on people, but just show them the piece of paper and they're sold. Absolutely, go ahead and do my alignment. It's been working phenomenal. Before we got the alignment checker, we have one guy that's all he does is alignments, and we were doing about 65 a month. The first month we got the alignment checker, we doubled that, and now we're averaging about 150, 160 alignments a month. So it's been very good. We've seen some tire sales increase from it, some suspension work, but mainly tires. Tires we've had an increase since we got the alignment checker also. When it first came to me, the owner, I talked to the owner about it, and he said, write up a return on investment. What's it going to do, and how long is it going to take to pay the machine off? And actually, I told him it would probably take about 6 to 7 months to pay the machine off. Funny thing is, we did it in about 2.5 months. So he was real happy with that. The one-line repair orders to our express shop have dropped, which is a really good thing to see. The hours per row in the main shop have gone up a little bit. That's great to see. It's a win-win situation. It's a win for the customers, it's a win for the dealership. How often you get a situation like that? I think it's a phenomenal piece of equipment. If you don't have one, you should definitely get one.